How can you see someone's Snapchat messages without knowing them that you have seen their message? So this trick is quite interesting, and so I will show you one trick by that you can safely read someone's chat without opening them on Snapchat. And after that, this trick is called the slide or trick Snapchat. So what we have to do, just open our Snapchat from here like this. This is my Snapchat. I will log in into my account here. Go on the chat option like this. If I want to read chats for the second account called Ayush Chauhan, what I have to do, I will place my four fingers on the back of phone and my thumb on this contact icon like this, and I will swipe the screen slowly like this from the left to right. What I have to do, just click the chat here like this and swipe it to your right and just stop it here, because if you don't stop it here it will be open. So you just have to manage it in between this left or this right screen like this, and you can add, it's quite uncomfortable but you can really read chats of someone without knowing them. That is, this is quite working trick for you. So this is all about the trick. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query or any confusion regarding any topic, so just tap it into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this.